Greetings from Natural Lifestyle Remedies, where we delve into the healing power of nature and explore how simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Our mission is to provide you with insights into nature's pharmacy, shedding light on the potent remedies that can be found in the everyday. We believe in the value of understanding our bodies and the profound effects that natural remedies can have on our health. Today, we turn our attention to a common kitchen ingredient with surprising health benefits: fennel seeds. Fennel seeds, while small in size, pack a powerful punch when it comes to their health benefits. Originating from the Mediterranean, these tiny seeds have been an integral part of traditional medicine for centuries. Ancient Greeks used them for their calming properties, while Romans incorporated them into their culinary practices. A lesser-known fact about fennel seeds is their high fiber content. A single teaspoon provides a rich array of antioxidants, contributing to your daily fiber requirement and boosting your overall health. These seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, with a profile that includes anethole, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Fennel seeds also play a significant role in promoting digestion. They aid in the smooth functioning of the stomach and intestines, reducing inflammation and helping to prevent digestive disorders. When it comes to heart health, these seeds are no less beneficial. Their high potassium content aids in controlling blood pressure and heart rate. But how does the body respond when you ingest these potent seeds? Let's find out. When you enjoy fennel seeds, your body sets in motion a series of beneficial processes. Picture this. As fennel seeds enter your body, they get to work by stimulating the production of gastric juices. This is a natural and effective way to aid digestion, helping your body break down food more efficiently and easing any discomfort you may experience after a hearty meal. But the benefits don't stop there. Fennel seeds possess anti-inflammatory properties too. This means they can help reduce the symptoms of conditions like arthritis, offering some much-needed relief from inflammation-related pain. Now let's not forget about the heart. Fennel seeds play a crucial role in heart health. They work towards reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels, contributing to an overall healthier cardiovascular system. So, fennel seeds not only add flavor to your dishes, but also provide a wellness boost to your body. In the span of this short video, we've uncovered the impressive health benefits of fennel seeds. Originating from the Mediterranean, these seeds are not just culinary delights, but also carry lesser-known facts that make them a powerhouse of health benefits. From aiding digestion to maintaining hormonal balance, fennel seeds play a significant role in our body's well-being. Thank you for joining us today at Natural Lifestyle Remedies. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button and share this video with others. Stay tuned for more insights into the healing power of nature.